Okay, guys, it's Michael. I'm back with a video of one of my um one of my I would say a Facebook friend or something like that. Yeah, fresh Facebook friend was asking me how to do door hinges. Okay, so I'm about to help him out, and soon I do gotta do door hinges up anyways. So, but hold up, let me try to get some things clear. My table's filled right now with all these cards. Some of these cards is what's coming, going to the show. I'm about to bring that out to a game of play again. I gotta bring that one out again for another show. They're gonna be clean. Try to get them cleaned up. I got another project, but I'm about to go kind of hard on this, but because y'all see how I'm going with it, and y'all see how I'm about to go kind of go insane with it. But, hold up, I gotta clean my camera thing. It's kind of irritating me my back. Much better, much better. Okay, I wanted to show y'all. You get a little piece of paper clip. Okay, from you go to the store and get your whole bag of them from the store or something like that for at least probably $32 with the paper clips. Well, you prefer using those color ones, the smaller ones. Those are the ones I prefer using myself. Even these would work for the my hydraulics and stuff too. But here, I'm about to have something holding this, but I'm about to show you how I do this. I have my paper clip right here, right? Then I got this little piece of styrene tubing stuff right there. It's a little piece, and get you a whole bag of them. But what you do is right here, you have your little tubing. Get this, your paper clip. And you go through, reach into the middle or how you want it to. Then you got your almost a hinge. Then you bend it. Bend it like an L. And you bend the other way. The other one. Excuse me for my TV. My TV's talking in the background. Right. And here you go. You gotta still got your tubing. You got yourself a U. This is gonna be for. This is just gonna be just show y'all. I gotta make a bigger one for my Cadillac. And you bend it just like this. And I use one of those wire cutters. Use these to bend them. Got that bend. You got this right here bend. And you gotta bend the other one about the same so it won't be off evened. And then you got the there, then you got this. Gotta bend it again. But you got yourself a little U. Got yourself a little U. Yourself a little U. But I got that. Then release right there. You got the other side done. Then you want to kind of do it even though. You want to do it even. You don't want to actually kind of mess up on you because it's not as good as when if it messes up on you. That'd that won't be as good as you think it will. Gotta take your time to do door hinges, and then if you don't, then it won't come as you want it to have the door opened and shut as really good. But there you go. Got your fully door hinge right there or something. Kind of go longer with these right here because you can do longer ones and stuff and you won't have no trouble. Like how you have them long, but it's right there. You got your door hinge and little tubing. You can do it with brass tubing too. Brass tubing. A little bit gotta be small though, so it messes up. But, this is the tubing I use. It's from Evergreen Styrene Tubing. And it's just absolutely killer. The front valance is full custom, and same with the rear wing. It works really well. This is another thing I use for my hydraulics too. And you use and what you do is you got this tubing, and you go right there. Just a couple tweaks. We're getting this thing ready to send it off and never come back. The RPMs aren't coming down correctly. And hold on. There you go, and you cut your little small piece so that you have your little small piece right there, and you have another piece right here. Then you're done with that. Let's say this is like a door, okay? Even though it's not. You basically have your thing right there in your door. Then you have this. Put it right there. Right there. Just kind of trying to put it in the middle. And show y'all what this is what I use the bin. It's pretty good. And we got that. But you want to use this styrene tube for the ends of these right here. Those two right there. Those two, you gotta use a little piece of that. Because I don't think you want to waste it all, but there's a automatic door hinge. You can do it. Stuff like that. It's pretty easy. It's not really that hard, but I understand some of these people. It is, especially if you don't have the right tools for it. Yeah, I have a lot to do this weekend, so a lot. But you have a good time, and you have a good time, and you have a good summer's coming up, so y'all have a good summer on that one too. But it'll be coming up pretty fast, as y'all know it. But y'all have a good day. Peace.